11 visa-free countries for Pakistani passport holders. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we go further, please subscribe our channel and click the bell button for our upcoming videos. Guys, do you know that 11 countries give visa-free access to Pakistani passport holders? Yes, that is true. The Pakistani passport ranks 196th in the world as of July 2023 according to the Henley Passport Index rankings. This means that Pakistani citizens can travel visa-free to 11 countries in the world. However, to enter the remaining countries, Pakistani passport holders must apply for a visa beforehand. Visa requirements for Pakistan passport holders vary depending on the country of destination. Some countries offer visa-free travel for Pakistan citizens, while others require visa on arrival or Electronic Travel Authorization, (ETA). Currently, Pakistan passport holders enjoy visa-free access to 31 destinations worldwide. Our detailed guide provides comprehensive information on lists of destinations where Pakistan passport holders can travel visa-free, obtain visa on arrival, or ETA. It also provides essential information on travel destinations that require a prior visa, including electronic visas, eVisas, and regular visas. Where can Pakistani passport holders travel without a visa? As of July 2023, Pakistani passport holders can travel visa-free to 11 countries and territories: Cook Islands, Dominica, Haiti, Micronesia, Montserrat, Niue, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Tajikistan, Gambia, Trinidad and Tobago, Vanuatu. While the above list includes all countries where Pakistan passport holders are exempt from obtaining a visa, it's important to note that the duration of stay and the purposes for travel are subject to the respective nation's visa regulations. Pakistan citizens are advised to confirm if a visa is required for extended stays or for purposes not covered under the visa waiver policy of the destination country. For visa-free travels, you still must have a valid passport, usually 6 months after your departure date, and you must purchase travel health insurance as required by your destination country. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please subscribe our channel and share this video.